Hi everyone, Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech. And since the introduction of iOS 26, a lot of people were frustrated with the overall battery drain. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize that. Now, I did have a video over the summer in June, and this is for iOS 18 on how to optimize your overall battery health. But this is a more updated video with some different information on top of some of the existing information. And the first one is a recommendation. If you're in a hotter environment, you should consider removing the case of your iPhone. If you're typically in a hotter environment where your iPhone gets overheated a little quickly, you can remove its case, and that will help with the overall heat on the iPhone 12. Now, the next feature is under Settings, Battery, and you can see the battery does look different here. If you give it a second to load, you can view all battery usage, and it will tell you how much you're using by a specific time. It will even tell you the percentage of the battery a little more in detail, but it's optimized battery charging. And what this does under battery health and charging will charge your iPhone to 80%. And then say you wake up at 7:30 or 8 a.m. By the time you get up, your iPhone will typically try to resume charging and will be done by that specific time. The next feature is under accessibility, under display and text size, and it is auto brightness. Now, you guys won't be able to see this, but I will show it using the control center. As I bring the light up close, you will see the brightness slider go up. And as I take the light away, you will see the slider go down. And auto brightness adjusts your brightness based off of the light, which can help with your overall battery. Now, the next feature is under display and brightness, and this is auto lock. And what this does is if you're not using your iPhone, it shuts the screen off. After a certain period, you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and so forth. But I typically keep it to never. But you can have your iPhone shut the screen off for you. The next one is under General and Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh, you can turn this off as well to minimize your overall battery usage. Now, the next feature is under Privacy and Security. And if we go to Location Services, you can typically turn this off. And this will turn off location services to also save battery. And you can also configure it for different apps. Now, this is for iOS 26. With the liquid glass sort of features here, we have liquid glass across the board. If I go into alarms here, there is liquid glass. Now, while you can't turn off liquid glass entirely, you can reduce some of the settings. Under accessibility, display and text size, you have two options here: reduce transparency and increase contrast. Increased contrast makes things just a little bit more brighter. And reduce transparency, you see it makes my app folders black and the app dock. And if I go into it, it darkens the app folder here. I do not like how it looks, but you can use those features in iOS 26 if you're getting excessive battery drain. Now, on my iPhone 12, I typically do not get good battery life. My battery health is at 80%. And on Friday, I got 2 hours, 48 minutes screen on time, 37 minutes screen off time, and it dropped it down to 42%. So I don't typically get good battery life on this iPhone 12. But hopefully Apple will release an iOS 26.0.1 update to address this issue. Hopefully we get it either the week of the 29th, or the 30th, or even maybe October 1st. But hopefully we do get an iOS 26.0.1 update to fix overall battery drain issues. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.